Hi everyone, and welcome to the Safety Artisan. I'm Simon, and today we're going to be talking about hazard logs and hazard tracking systems. So as I said, we're going to look at hazard logs and hazard tracking systems, and we're going to be answering the most popular questions, the most often asked questions about hazard logs and hazard tracking systems that you will find on the internet. So that's what we're going to do. And as we'll hear in a moment, or later on, sorry, this is going to be the first in 3 sessions on this subject. So topics for this session right now, commonly asked questions. So what is a hazard log? What is it? And what do we do with it? The key elements of a hazard log, what needs to be in it to make it work, hazard log management, what we need to do, and what about software hazard log tools? What about hazard log tools? What can we use to create a hazard log effectively? Now we'll be looking at that in much more detail in sessions 2 and 3, but we'll just go over the basics today. And then also some very common questions. What's the difference between a hazard log versus a risk assessment? And what's the difference between a hazard log and a risk register? Okay. And when I say hazard log, you can substitute hazard tracking system at all times. Okay. They're really one and the same thing, which we'll talk about.